Hello, today I'm going to be making a dragon's head, and so this is my own design influenced by the ram's head that we did recently, which was Bill Carter's design. He taught me how to do that and how to make that animal head, which I've then taken into my own designs and expanded and made lots of different animal heads, and today we're going to be making a dragon's head. So if we start on this dragon on the horns, and we can make a little step just to isolate off that material. I'll leave that to cool down, and then we can come in with an angle grinder rather than doing it hot, as if we do it hot we can tend to get a bit of a ragged edge. Doing it cold with an angle grinder just makes it all a bit cleaner. We can split these horns apart. Then begin to taper the ends a little bit. Now it's time to twist them. I like to put a little reverse twist into the horns of the dragon. I'll have to heat that one back up. We get it in the vise, then put the first bend into the face. We can bring that down now. So we'll weld that shut with a stick welder rather than trying to forge weld it. If we forge weld it, we're going to have to manipulate the volumes quite a lot to get rid of that seam there. So by welding it with a stick welder, we can add volume rather than, if we try forge weld it, often we'll just lose too much volume. There we are, it's all welded. I'll bring it up to a forge welding heat so we can planish the sides, bring that weld down, make it all nice and neat, and then begin to forge the shape of the face. I've come onto this anvil because it has a nice sharp edge. Now we can begin to punch all the facial features onto the dragon. Now we can bring the eyebrows in. Dragons obviously have 2 eyebrows. Split the horns apart before I put those next eyebrows on. So now the last little thing is just in the pupils in the eyes. A lovely happy dragon, that's what it is. There we go. There we go. That's the finished dragon's head. It's a little bit of a stubby face, this one. It's got some nice nostrils and a nice mouth in there, and then the eyes on the face. It's all good. And as I said, a double brow, double eyebrow, and then the nice reverse twist, flowing horns. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. If you want to watch me make some other forms of animals, I'll link them around the place and you can go and watch those videos. And I'll see you soon.